Today I will show you how to clean the drain filter of a Samsung machine. So the door is at the bottom, and to open it, press from the top and the door should open. So there is a pipe right here, so you want to pull it out. There is water in this pipe, so make sure you have a container so you can drain the water into it. So the pipe has stopped draining water. So once that's done, as you can see this white cap, turn it counterclockwise. And then pull it out. So here's the drain filter. So you can clean this out. You can also clean inside the drain filter. So I'm just cleaning the inside of the drain filter with a toothbrush, old toothbrush. So once you've cleaned the inside and the filter itself, you can place the filter back in and turn it clockwise to tighten it. Once it stops turning, it should be in. Next, put the cap back onto the pipe. Make sure the cap is fully into the pipe to prevent any leaks. Then place the pipe back onto the hook. Then you can close the door. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.